To install the booking engine on your website, go to Web Tools, then Booking Engines. Find the three dots all the way to the right and click Install. There are three key sections on this page: the preview, the code, and the options. The first option is a JavaScript, and wherever you embed that code on your website, the booking engine appears. The second option is a direct link to a booking and contact page. And the third option is a shortcode that is used for WordPress websites. Copy and paste the code into our plugin in WordPress. Don't forget to check out the advanced settings for pre-filled booking data and other adjustments. And that's it.